Hey y'all, I just want to make a quick video on this licensed Porsche 718 12-volt electric car for kids that is amazing. The details on here are phenomenal. It also has a lot of music, it has stories, it has radio, it has a USB, and also you can adjust the volume on it, which is amazing. It even has a clock on there, and also the lights even turn on and off, which is so cool. So it's really, really easy to put together. The instructions were extremely clear. It had all of the hardware and tools that you needed to put everything together, and I was able to get this all the way put together in about 15 minutes, which I was really impressed with and very appreciative of. So once you have everything put together, it even has cool details, like I was just putting in the seat. It has a seat belt. It has doors that open and close, which is really awesome. But you'll put your steering wheel in and your console. It has wheels on the back for easy carrying, which is really great. But like I said, here's the seat belt, which is really cool that you can do that for your kids. And I do want to show you that right below, right here, it has a switch between manual or remote, because you can control this with a remote, and then that is also where you charge it. So this is what the remote looks like. You'll want to put some batteries in there, but you can control the remote of how fast it's going or slow or where it's turning, everything like that you can control. But I switched mine into manual so that my little guy can go ahead and ride this, and he had so much fun. It has multiple speeds. You can go forward, you can go in reverse, but really it is just like a mini Porsche, and it's so cool. And we have gravel. It goes really well on the gravel. It goes really well on grass. My older son jumped in there and he loved riding it everywhere, and it really was just a lot of fun for all of us. Makes an excellent gift, and I would definitely recommend.